66 kilometers in mountains are definitely a long. Day after we'll be heading straight. Gorgeous. We are going to travel that entire stretch. It's like some painting in the sky. Just inching through Sangla right now. Gaze at the stars.
We were running out of breath. It's that cold. Hello everyone. Good morning. This is day 5 of our Spiti expedition from Bangalore. There was some landslide ahead. They have cleared it overnight. I think at least 200 meters of the NH was covered with the landslides.
Every turn is starting to become breathtaking. The beauty of nature at its best. It's a deep fall on the left side. It's a vulture. Kinnar Dwar. Another 1 kilometer, so that's where the landslide is. As we can see, there are 2 JCBs working there trying to clear the way for us. Oh, this is gonna be crazy. Man, oh man, oh man. This bridge always mesmerizes us. We'll be able to see the sunset. We have at least 66 kilometers to Chitkul. It's drizzling here. We'll take a small break, though we didn't travel much. Luckily, it has stopped drizzling. Some part of the roads are dry. I think we'll have to pick up a bit of pace if we want to reach in 2 hours. 66 kilometers in mountains are definitely a long ride. Remember, there was a bus in front of us last time. All this is like very nostalgic. But the sad part is we get blocked by a bigger vehicle every time. Yeah, most part of the roads are a lot good. Slowly. I am putting my foot down and going. They've stopped the traffic on the other side. Welcome to Baspa. A lot of traffic will take a diversion here actually. Chalo, right is free. Oh, my bike is not pulling only. Trucks are coming. Oh, wow. The waste they're throwing, man. Oh, yeah. So we have crossed the river for the first time. Now we are cruising on the left side of Sutlej for the next 16 kilometers. Literally getting colder. Lot of traffic up ahead, guys. Interesting fact on the road. Oh, there is USA flag. Okay. This jack is so kind. You cannot afford this. I don't know what the intention was. Anyway, we are not losing any more time trying to decode that encoded language. Yeah, we've seen that gushing also. This time of the year, everything gets frozen on top. So what flows down is only the ice that gets melted during the afternoon. The only signal that I have is on Jio. The Airtel is completely out of order. In 6 kilometers, we need to take a right. But before that, we will be crossing the river again. Oh, there's a hole in the middle. I think the roads on that left side, they never refurbished because this bridge was constructed by the military. Now it's the same bridge that we have to take to the left. We'll go little front. There's a trailer coming here. Oh my god, I can't imagine the skill he will need to ride through all these roads. Mini trailer, but still, it's a trailer. The weather looks very promising right now and we have only 45 kilometers. I'm not turning on my Jio data. We'll keep it for emergency because I have offline maps. Day after we'll be heading straight. Yeah, no need to fuel. This is Karcham and this is the Karcham Dam. Left is Sangla and that is where we are heading to. We have a Karorpati question. The time is ticking. There are no options for audience poll. Look at the level here. Look at the level. Oh my god. 210 meters. Oh, beauty. This is the turquoise green we were looking for. Okay, come here, come here. There's no barricade. Gorgeous. That is what we should call this. Oh, the water this side is so fresh. We are going to climb up to 13,000 feet. Chitkul is at 13,000 feet. What a view. Are they discussing or something? See, the main idea is when you're parking or slowing down, you need to keep to the side. Basic, that is. Oh, ho, ho, the beauty. Oh, man. We are going to travel that entire stretch here, see. Fact check, only if you come to Himalayas you will know what mountains are. Okay, for those who are scared of heights, don't look down. Oh, the sunrays are nice. It's like some painting in the sky. It is going to get cold. I started a bit early after that. I'm very sure that Melvin and Ganesh are going to overtake me sometime, so why make things slow? I'm able to see some snow on the mountain up ahead. On the left side, full landslide. Then there is a big mountain behind that. Last time even this road was very bad though. It was full slush. Ayyo, truck. There. Welcome to Tukpa Valley. We've reached Sangla. We have 23 kilometers, which is equivalent to at least 80 kilometers here in the mountains, because we are not able to keep more than 30 kilometer speed. Four-wheelers are definitely ripping, which is why we have to give them space, and we are just inching through Sangla right now. It's definitely going to take some time. We are taking at least 5 to 6 minutes every kilometer. This is the real iron butt challenge. We are actually seeing snow-capped mountains on top behind those clouds, but I don't know if the lens is clear. Right, let me try to clear the lens a bit. There is the snow-capped mountain. The weather is getting really cold now. The sun has set, the weather is cold. We are passing a small waterfall. Welcome to Rakcham. Did we pass this place when we had more light last time? No, right? I'm glad that I got jacket, bro. I'm able to start feeling the cold even in my feet now. Bro, is that snow-capped mountain on top? 9 kilometers. Oh, Edele Gap. Oh, bus is going. Thank you, Bhaiya. We are 2 kilometers outside Chitkul. We have just stopped to gaze at the stars. There are a lot of stars in the sky. We can even see some satellites. Oh, Chitkul's altitude is 11,320 feet. India's last village, the Wanderer's Nest. We are just 2 kilometers away from the Wanderer's Nest. We don't have to wander for the night once we are there. The road here is comparatively decent. The faster we go, the faster we are freezing. And guys, we are finally here at Chitkul. This only, no? You're in the parking lot, right? They've constructed 1 or 2 floors. Oh, nalla food. Melvin has gone in to check the rooms. I hope everything is okay. Then we will take this.
We are finally in Chitkul. We have checked in at Sama Resort. This is our second time in Sama Resort. It definitely feels like home here. Rooms are pretty spacious. We have ordered for food. Our man is here already freezing. we got the bags up to the first floor and we were running out of breath. It's that cold. Just need to settle down. We'll be staying here today and tomorrow. We have one whole day in Chitkul to explore. Wait and watch. We'll all see you on day 6. Signing off. Good night.